How to get cheap Southwest flight. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can get cheap Southwest flight, and here is how to go about it. So the first step is to log in into your account just like I have done here, and then once you're logged in, you're brought to the home page automatically. So on this page, you can see the different options displayed. So the first thing to do, or the first thing that you can do for you to get cheap Southwest flights, is by making use of the Southwest low fare calendar to view monthly flight prices. All right, you can you can use it to view mostly price flight prices and use it to determine when you are to travel. So how do you make use of this? Scroll down to the flight section and then enter in your departure and your intended location. That is where you are trying to go to. Then after doing that, go to the lower part of the box and click on low fare calendar. Alright, so select your departure and your return date too. Okay, so now you can see the option search lowest fare per month. You can see the different kind of trip. So which kind of trip do you want for a low price? Then you can see your departure dates, your departure month as well as your return month. If this is not your return month, ensure you change it. All right, and then type in your arrival location one more time. Then after doing that, if you have a promo code, you can apply it. If not, just go ahead and click on search. So after clicking on search, you'll be taken to the low fare calendar, where you can now check out the calendar to see the monthly prices. So currently, you can see the amount for the location for the time that you've picked, all right, or for the remaining days of the month. You can see the amount that you have to pay. So you can just check through this and calculate, check your time, check the days that the flights whose flights are cheap or at a lower rate. For example, on in June, you can see the flights that are available for cheaper rates. Here you can see $165 in comparison to $228. So you can just have that in mind, and it falls on the 25th, 26th. So for the returning month as well, you can for the returning dates, that is when you're returning, you can see the flights that are available at a cheaper rate, which is also 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th. All right, you can just take note of that. And then once you take notes, scroll down, then click on continue to flight times. So after clicking on continue to flight times, you'll be taken to the select flight date. And here you can now go ahead and change the time, change the date to the preferred one that you found in the calendar. All right, that is suitable for you. So you can just go ahead and select that and select your returning date as well and click on search, and then you'll be able to get that flight at a cheaper rate. All right, so that's one way. Another way of getting cheap Southwest flight is by signing up to receive Southwest email for sales alert. So whenever there is a sale or whenever flights are cheap, you would get to know beforehand. Then you can also consider shopping early and often. All right, and then consider flying on less busy days like midweek or early hours. And during those times, the flights fares are usually cheaper compared to weekends, and they can watch out for sales as they happen frequently. So that is it. These are the various ways whereby you can get cheap Southwest flight. So ensure you're smart about it and you are good to go. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has helped you. Have a good day.